Hi guys, I'm going to be sharing with you things I've learned from wealthy people. These are the secrets to getting rich. Please like and share this video because I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Listen, if you want to be successful, you have to be disciplined. If you want to attain a certain level of success, you have to be super disciplined. Discipline can solve 80% of your problems. There is no rich person out there who is not disciplined, who is not focused on his or her goals. You see, that's your dream, that's your goal. Your eyes has to be on it like this. No distractions whatsoever. And when I talk about distractions, I also mean social media. Because sometimes when we go on social media, we forget ourselves. After 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, we're still scrolling. We're just on social media doing nothing, learning nothing. You have to be selfish with your time. You have to guard your time. You have to know how to use your time to do valuable things in your life. If you want to be successful, you can't be hanging out with your friends always. It is not every time your friends or your acquaintances call you out that you go and have fun. You want to go and live the life. No. Rich people guard their time. They don't show up at every event, every party, every get together. They are very selective with their friends. They are very intentional about networking. They don't just show up at anywhere. Like you tell them, oh, can I see you now? Then they pop out. No. I'm talking about rich people, not money miss road. They know how to be selfish with their time. They don't misuse their time. Their time is so valuable to them because time is our most valued commodity, our most valued asset is time. You can't get yesterday back. If you didn't invest your time, your energy yesterday for your tomorrow, for your future, like if you didn't do something yesterday that your future self is going to be proud of, that means that you wasted your yesterday. If you want to be successful, you have to start prioritizing your time. And you also have to have timetable every day. Like have something specific you're doing at every hour. Write down how your day is going to go. Rich people have schedule. They don't just wake up and do anything. They know what they are doing at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 p.m. They know when to rest. They know when to take their break in the day, during the day. They know what they are doing at every given time. They don't just waste their days sleeping, watching series, being on social media, partying, hanging out with their friends, gossiping on the phone with their friends. No. And they keep to time. If a rich person tells you, I'm going to be here by 8, they're going to be there by 8 because their time is so valuable to them. You have to start learning how to keep to time. If people give you time, stick to that time, show up at that particular time. People take you more seriously when you keep to time. And when people know you are someone that keeps to time, they will start respecting your time. For example, if you have an appointment with someone and you show up at that given time, that person is going to respect you more. But if you're someone that doesn't keep to time, people are not going to take you seriously. So you need people to take you seriously. If you want to be successful in this world, in this universe, you have to be seen as a very serious person. People do business. People do things with serious-minded people. Rich people know how to sell themselves. If you want to be successful, if you want to be wealthy, you have to learn how to be confident. You have to learn how to promote yourself. You have to learn how to sell your business. There's no rich person on earth. There's no CEO. There's no chairman, chairperson, anything, any head of organization that doesn't know how to pitch him or herself, that doesn't know how to talk about what they do. So stop being shy. Be confident. Talk about your business to anybody that is willing to listen, even to people that are not even willing to listen. Tell people what you do. Post your business. In as much as rich people have so many people working for them, they also promote themselves. They post about their business. They talk about what they do to anybody that is willing to listen. Even people that are not even willing to listen, they push it out there. You have to carry your business on your head like gala. You have to take your business, your hustle personal, whatever you are into, whatever you are focused on right now, you have to be serious about it. Stop playing, okay? Be stubborn about your goals. Rich people are stubborn. Oh my God. Rich people don't care what you think. They don't care what you're saying. What they know is what they know. Rich people are stubborn. They are stubborn. And do you know that What they know is actually facts because they have tried those things and those things have worked for them. They're not willing to start listening to naysayers, so many people in their ears trying to tell them, no, don't do this, do things like this, no, let's do this, trying to confuse them. No. What they know is what they know. What they want to do is what they want to do. So you have to be stubborn. Like you have to have a certain level of stubbornness in you. You have to be in this world. So you have to be super determined. You have to be determined. You have to be determined. Remember those people taking first position in class? They were taking first position because they were determined, because they knew how to use their time. After school every day, we might be playing, we might be talking with our friends, we might be just wasting our time. They knew how to use their time wisely. They knew how to focus. They knew how to plan themselves. So, my point is you have to learn how to plan your life. You have to write down your goals, not on any paper. You have to have a jotter. Write down your goals. What are you going to achieve in January? What are you going to achieve in 6 months? Don't be thinking, oh my God, I need to be rich. I want to be rich. No, you have to be like, you have to have a plan. It's like a plan you're going to execute, step by step plan. And don't go and overwhelm yourself by setting massive plan. It's okay for you to write, I'm going to make $10 million in 6 months, but you need to draw your plan. You need to plan and write down how you are going to get to making $10 million in 6 months. Every day, what you're going to do every day, your habits, your actions, your thoughts, everything has to come into play. Rich people don't just wake up and make money. They don't just wake up one day and they are walking on the road, they fall onto money. No. Rich people plan their life. They are serious about their life. They don't play. They don't play. They remove any kind of distraction. If you're coming to their life and you want to distract them from their goal, from the things they're going to achieve, they don't know who you are. If you want, be as fine as Queen Elizabeth. If you want, be as hot as whoever. If you want, be the most amazing person in bed. They don't want to be distracted. So you need to be like that. Okay? Whether you are a guy or a lady, you need to be super focused on your goal. And you have to embrace failure. Rich people can fail. Rich people fail for a living. But the most amazing thing about them is that they know how to learn from their mistakes. They pick lessons from that their failure and they apply it in the next thing they're going to do and they excel. Rich people don't just lay back and say, oh, I failed, I've fallen, I cannot stand up. They stand up. Their mindset is forward ever. The only thing they know how to do is, what is the next thing I need to do? I need to keep going. So you have to learn how to be resilient. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like and share. If you want to be rich, you have to network strategically. You can't make everybody your friend. Everybody can't be your friend. You have to be friends with people that align with your goal. That is why rich people have a certain kind of cartel. They don't mingle with everybody. They don't move with everybody. It's like a network. So you have to move with people that have the same goal with you. The same people that are focused, the same people that are determined. No matter how determined, focused, and disciplined you are, if you keep being friends with people who don't think like you, if you keep hanging out with people that don't think like you, people that don't want to be successful, you're going to be distracted. They're going to distract you. They're going to keep telling you, you're doing too much. What are you saying? Well, let's have fun. We are young. So build great relationships. Have good mentors. Have people you're going to look up to. Rich people have great mentors. They have people they go to for advice. Every rich person has another richer friend. They ask for advice. Make sure you make friends with people who are better than you, people who are doing better than you. That is the honest truth. If you want a certain level of success in this world, make friends with people who are more leveled up than you. Rich people don't do cho. They don't talk too much. Rich people don't talk too much. They walk in silence. I'm not talking about all these upcoming ego money people. No. Rich people, their money is silent. It just smells. Thinking rich. So you have to learn how to shh. Stop telling everybody your plan. No matter how much you hang with a rich person, you're not going to hear their next plan unless you are in their circle, unless you're very, 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 very close to that rich person. That person likes you a lot. That is when you're going to hear their next plan. They keep their goals, their plans to themselves. Why? Because people are going to tell you, no, you can't do this. People are going to discourage you from doing that thing you want to do. So they keep it to themselves. They rather share their plans with professionals, people that are qualified in that field, in that thing they want to do, they want to go into. Okay? So they can't just come and take the blah, 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 blah. So learn how to, if you want to be successful, you have to learn how to stop broadcasting everything you want to do. Just act. Action. Show actions. All right? Zip your mouth, throw it away. Keep your dreams, keep your goals, keep your plan to yourself. Don't share it with everybody because people are going to discourage you. Don't share your plans with everybody. Sometimes when you even share your plans with people, they take that your idea and they use it for their own good. And later, when you're like, "What happened? This is what I told you," they'll say, "No, I thought about it before you even mentioned it to me." You'll be like, "What happened?" It has happened so many times in this world. So keep your ideas to yourself. Only share your ideas with professionals, people that are going to work with you on that project. Tie your mouth, throw away the key. Rich people diversify their income. They have multiple streams of income. They don't just rely on one way of making money. No. They are open-minded. They don't mind trying this. They don't mind going into this. They keep evolving. They keep getting better in their business. They keep growing. So you have to open your mind to new things. Open your mind to new way of making money. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Different avenue, options, how you can make more money. Create more wealth for yourself and your generation. A rich person won't just rely on making their money from real estate or just from beauty or just from this, that. No. They rather make their money from all angle. They rather try all those things. And they know how to get help. They employ people that know how to do that thing best. So if you want to have multiple sources of income, you have to be willing to outsource things for other people to do for you. People that know more than you in regards to that thing. Rich people also know things about whatever they want to go into. Learn new things. Develop yourself. Invest in yourself. Invest time, energy, money in yourself. The best thing you can ever do for yourself is investing in yourself. Personal development. Develop yourself to be the best version of yourself. Learn, acquire the skills, level up, get all the knowledge you can get at any given opportunity. Learn anything you can learn from anybody whatsoever. If you're in the midst of people or someone who knows how to make hair, put your eye in it. Learn, pick up that skill. If you open my social media, you'll be seeing things about level up, things about money, things about getting better. My FYP page knows the kind of things I like. So if you're on the internet, you should be learning things. You should be putting things in your brain. You should be developing yourself on the internet, not just watching random things and wasting your time and energy. So invest in yourself. Like I said earlier, time is money. Use your time wisely. In as much as rich people work so hard, they rest a lot. They know how to recuperate. Because if you keep pushing and pushing and pushing, you're going to burn out. You're going to break down. You're going to casser in French. You're going to break. So they know how to rest. They know how to take a break. That's why you always hear them say, "Oh, I'm traveling. I'm taking a trip. I have to go and relax. I'm going for massage. I'm going to the beach. I'm going to this place. I'm going to do. When money talks, bullshit moves back." In as much as you're going to work so hard, you have to prioritize your rest. Sleep well. Sleep. Sleep, because our brain gets so tired. Rich people know how to rest their brain. Oh. They don't care. They rest their head. They cool their head because the head can burst. Rich people prioritize their health. They eat well. They exercise. they move their body because they are working so hard to make this money. So they have to be alive to enjoy this money. It doesn't make sense that you work so hard and later in life you're not going to have good health to enjoy your hard work, to enjoy the fruit of your labor, to enjoy your money. They already know this and they don't play with their health. They prioritize their health. They make sure they are well taken care of. The last but not the least is rich people don't hold on to money like this. They see money as nothing. Hey, they don't come and say, oh, this money, if I lose it, oh my God, how am I going to breathe? No. They're like this. They're like, oh, it's just money. Rich people know how to take risk. Oh my God. Because they know that it's all here. If they could do it before, they can do it again. If they have done it before, if they made money before, they can make it again and again. So they don't hold on to money like, They know how to take risk. They don't mind taking risk because they know that if they don't take risk, great things might not happen in their life. For you to be successful, you have to start taking risk. Okay, you have to start opening your mind to doing new things, to taking risks, to coming out of your comfort zone. You can't be in your comfort zone and you want success. If you want success, you have to start coming out of your comfort zone. Okay? Take more risk, but take calculated risk. Don't go and wake up and just go and take any nonsense risk that will cost you your life, your money, and your soul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two from this video. If you did, please leave in the comments what you learned. Tell me what other secret do you know about getting rich. Like and share this video to your friends, to people you know on your WhatsApp status. Just click share and it's going to go straight to your WhatsApp status. Check out this video here and subscribe here. Follow me on all other social media platforms with the name ciatajolie. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.